Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and have I got something to show you. Where is it? Oh, we are going to look at something that's in the January to June catalog. This is part of the Sand and Sea Suites. Let me bring that up. This is a card front, as is. Just stick it on a card. And there you go. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this because it's a three-step process. You cut it out, you stamp it, and then you run it through the embossing folder. So what I am using is, I know it's here. I am using Friends Are Like Seashells. Okay. And then I am using the Seaside Shell die. And I am using, where is it? The, this is the, what is it called? Embossing folder. Sand and Sea, no. Seashells 3D, oh, it's right there, Seashells 3D embossing folder. And it actually embosses the, put it the right way, the cutouts, just like that. Now I want to show you how to do that, okay? So you're going to need your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And you're going to need some ink, and I am going to use, just to give contrast, smoky slate, and I am going to use some, I think this is Balmy Blue cardstock, okay? So I want to get everything out of the way, and I'm going to bring up my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Oh, sorry, it's going to move you a little bit, but it's well worth it, okay? So I am just going to lay this on, can you see that? Well, I'm just going to lay this on, it takes up almost the full 5.5 by 4.25 card front. So, and I'm just going to cut it out. Sorry about the, I bet you this will be better. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Let me just move this. Oops. This is what you get, okay? And now what we're going to do is, this comes with quite a few stamps, 23 in the set. And it's got this and this and this, and you're going to use this one and this one. It's got a sand dollar and a starfish, and I love happy birthday to my beautiful friend. I'm so happy I found you, wishing you the best. You are unique and completely amazing. Friends are like seashells. You collect them along the way. For you, thank you, and love you to the beach and back. So what I am going to do, and you may have to see my head because you can probably, well, it may not be as hard as it is to stamp this off of the Stamparatus, but you need to line these up, and they do. They line up fairly easily. Sorry about the head. And you just want to stamp that right like that. So you've got that one. Now, even just stamping it looks really great. And then I'm moving this down, sorry guys. I don't want my head to keep hitting the camera. Stamping that one. Okay. Just throw that away. And then I'm stamping this one's a little more tricky. The 3 bumps are on the back, and that's the bottom of this seashell. Just like that. Then I'm doing the little seashell. Okay, and then I'm doing the big seashell. Conch, I think this is a conch, I'm not certain. I'm sure somebody will tell me which all of these seashells are. Or no, I think this is a spiral. I think those are conchs. And there we go. Now, let's close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your die cut, and you're just going to place it and line it up in your 3D embossing folder. And realistically, you'll know when it's lined up because it actually fits in the, not on that side, but on this side, it fits in and kind of lays it. So then we're going to bring up, get this, we're going to bring up the embossing, or the Stampin' Cut machine again. And since this is a 3D embossing folder, we're going to use mat 4. We put down mat 1. Let's see, mat 1? No, mat 2. Okay, mat 1, the embossing folder, and cardstock, and then number 4. And then we're just going to run that through. Run that through again. Let's put this back down. And here we go. And look at that. I don't know if you can see the difference, but look at that. It's got the texture to it. Let's see. Let's see here. Anyhow, it is beautiful. And again, this is part of the Sand and Sea suite. It has, the suite has the Friends Are Like Seashells bundle, which includes the stamp set and the die. Where is it? The dies. There are more to it than just this one die. There are some others. Then you can also get the 3D embossing folder. You've got some pearlescent specialty paper, which I am going to use to cut these out and do that. You get opal rounds, seaside shells, which the seaside shells are sticker sheets, 3 sticker sheets, and then you get the designer series paper, which I don't have yet. And here, I think this is the Pearl Essence. I don't think you can see that paper. So, anyhow, if you like what you see, please purchase it from me. You can find the information down below, or go to marytroutner.stampinup.net. You can start purchasing this from the January to June catalog. Follow me on YouTube. Everything to make this is listed below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.